Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll take you through the entire beef cattle farming process. From caring for the cattle at the farm to slaughtering and leather processing at the factory. These are key steps to ensure the highest quality of meat and cattle products. Join us as we explore the professional and sustainable practices of beef cattle farming. Let's dive into the world of beef cattle, essential animals in agriculture. Beef cattle have a unique four-chamber stomach, which allows them to efficiently digest grass and other forages. Raising beef cattle not only provides high-quality meat, but also valuable hides used in premium leather products. Beef cattle feed isn't just plain grass or grain. It's mixed with essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins to optimize health and production. As the cow prepares to give birth, farmers lay straw in the stall to create a clean, warm environment, helping the mother feel comfortable during labor. Once the calf is born, they assist by gently pulling the calf from the mother and quickly prepare a bottle with a teat for feeding. This ensures the calf gets the essential nutrition right from the start and grows up healthy. To maintain a clean environment for cattle and cows, workers clean the manure daily. The manure is collected and sent to a facility where it is turned into fertilizer. This fertilizer helps grow grass, which feeds the cattle, creating a natural cycle that protects the environment and supports sustainable development. After the manure is processed into fertilizer, it is used to enrich the soil for growing fresh grass. As the calf grows, it starts eating the same feed as the adult cattle. This feed provides essential nutrients for growth and helps the calf adapt to the adult diet. Did you know that playing soft music for cows can bring many benefits? Music helps reduce stress, making cows eat more, digest better, and gain weight efficiently. Additionally, less stressed cows produce higher quality. When cattle reach their ideal weight, they are taken to the processing plant. This final step in the farming process involves thorough processing of the beef. The procedure includes quality checks, cleaning, and preparation to ensure the final product meets high safety and quality standards for consumers. To ensure humane slaughter, workers use a high-powered electric stunner to render the cattle unconscious before bleeding. After stunning, the cattle are placed in a machine with their heads exposed for bleeding. This ensures the slaughter is done humanely, minimizing pain and stress for the animal. This skinning machine uses chains to pull the hide off the cattle from top to bottom. This advanced equipment significantly reduces time and labor, cutting the process from 30 minutes with 5 workers to just over 2 minutes. After the hides are removed, they are placed in a separate freezing room for storage. This process keeps the hides at low temperatures, preparing them for future processing into leather. The beef processing begins with cutting off the head. This is the first step in chopping and sorting the parts of the cattle, preparing for the subsequent stages of meat processing. During the meat processing, workers use a large bandsaw to split the cattle in half. Standing on a ladder, they carefully cut from top to bottom, dividing the carcass into 2 large sections. The cattle are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and contaminants. This step ensures the beef is handled under the best hygiene conditions. RFID technology is used for layered imaging of beef cuts. This process helps identify bones and tissues that need to be removed, making bone separation easier and more precise. Skilled workers carefully perform the bone separation process. They ensure that no excess meat is left behind, maximizing the volume of each cut with precision and expertise. Once the beef is deboned, the chunks are fed into a high-capacity grinder. The meat is then pressed and shaped into round patties, ready to be used for burgers. After the beef is shaped into round patties, they are frozen for longer storage. The beef packaging process begins with careful inspection and labeling of each fresh cut. Each piece is tagged with a barcode and product information to ensure traceability. Next, the meat is placed into packaging, and the vacuum sealing process removes air to extend the shelf life and keep the meat fresh. Finally, the packaging is securely sealed and prepared for the next steps in distribution. Next, the fresh beef cuts are placed into boxes and securely packed. Once boxed, the meat is stored in a cold storage facility to maintain freshness and prepare it for distribution. Beef bones are rich in flavor and sweetness, making them a perfect base for many delicious dishes. The round beef patties are delivered to the kitchen, where the chef seasons them with salt and pepper for extra flavor. The patties are then cooked on the grill until perfectly done, placed on a hamburger bun with vegetables, sauce, and cheese. The result is a delicious, flavorful hamburger. When thinking of a great piece of beef, most people think of a delicious beef steak. This simple yet enticing dish is often served with melted butter, mashed potatoes, and fragrant rosemary leaves. After being frozen at the factory, the beef hides are transferred to a specialized leather processing facility. Thank you for joining us in this journey through beef cattle farming. From caring for the cattle to processing meat and leather, we've explored every step that ensures high-quality products. Stay tuned for more insights into how sustainable practices in agriculture and food production impact our lives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest videos.